Nahao, Ani Bojo Kinawea, Ali Darne and Dishnikos, uh, Gichimigwech Gi Bajoyak, Manomin Gizis, Bigash Manoyak, Miigwech Wendam, um, Miigwech Wendam Gi Bajoyan Evelyn, Nahao. Um, Today we're here for the Anishinaabe Nation Gizo Mizinigans and Anishinaabe Bemoin Kidwanan monthly webinar. Thank you to Evelyn Roy, B. Kinamage Young Nongong. We're really grateful that Evelyn has joined us today to share phrases from Mean Gizas in the Anishinaabe Nation Gizo Mizinigan, our annual calendar. I mentioned earlier that my name is Ali Darnay. Kitigan B Debendagos, and Anishinaabe Inigan Zikadang and Dao, Anishinaabe Nation and Donjanaki. So I'm the Anishinaabe manager here at the Anishinaabe Nation. I am a member of Garden River First Nation. The Anishinaabe Department was launched in January of 2023 to support language reclamation, documentation, and revitalization. We also work alongside Barbara Nolan, our Anishinaabe Amy Gongwadod, our language commissioner, and the Enki Manchikwi Abzitong Anishinaabe Language Revitalization Committee. I'm going to turn it over to Lori for a couple minutes. Now, Lori Gintam.
Nahau. Ngitchnin the Mwabmanon. Meanwhile, Chimigwech Gibajayak, Lori McLeod Shabagisha Conditionakas, Chiging Don Jaba, meanwhile Nipissing de Benagos, Anishinaabe Nation Donjanaki. I am part of the Anishinaabe Nation language team along with Ali Darnay, and thank you so much everyone for coming. Ali, if we can contribute on. So as you are probably aware, with each session we do we recite the Ngurwe Wangazit Anishinaabe, and that is a proclamation prepared for us by the elders of Minado Minising. So with that, Ngurwe Wangazit Anishinaabe, one Anishinaabe family. De Benjaget Gi San Anishinaabe and a king, Gibidagon God Ne Minado Wadzuin. Creator placed Anishinaabe on the earth along with the gift of spirituality. Shkure, Nebe, Ake, Noden, Gibid Gostanan, Winagada Wendamong Mampish Kogmagong. Here on Mother Earth, there were gifts given to Anishinaabe to look after fire, water, earth, and wind. De Benjage Giminan Gichatwa Wendagok, Anishinaabe Wanag Dunjan Ninda Nijwaswe Kinumadunan. Creator gave Anishinaabe 7 sacred gifts to guide them. They are Zagidwin, Debwewin, Manadendamowin, Nabwakawin, Dabadendaswin, Wakwadzawin, Minwa Akadeowin. Love, truth, respect, wisdom, humility, honesty, and bravery. Debenjiga Kimingwana Dedbanwewin Agadawindawin. Creator gave us sovereignty to govern ourselves. Kamna Dendana Gabe Joebak, Minwanango Megwa Joebak. We respect and honor the past, present, and the future. Chimigwech. And that's, again, the preamble to the Anishinaabe Nation Constitution as adopted by Grand Council in June 2011. And we just wanted to give a shout out to our fabulous artist, Mshikekwe. Her name is Autumn Smith, and she is an Anishinaabe artist and a member of the Caribou clan. She's a member of Magnetowan with also has roots to Chiging. She is also a language teacher, and she very generously shared her artwork with us for the promotion of the calendar. Chimigwach. Ani, back to you, Ali.
Wow, Chimigwech Lori. For doing Nguru Wangizit for us and telling us a little bit more about Shikiakwe and the artwork. We are working on next year's calendar, so for 2027, if you do know of any speakers that you'd like to refer to or recommend to us, please feel free to reach out to Lori or myself. I'm really happy now, though, that I get to introduce you to our facilitator today. Welcome to our speaker, Evelyn Roy. She grew up on the Comocong Unceded Indian Reserve and is currently a member of June First Nation. Following the footsteps of her parents, she's become a respected elder in our community. Evelyn is one of the few remaining fluent speakers of Anishinaabe and is able to transmit her knowledge to all of our community members. She's played a key role in promoting language, working with the Ojibwe Cultural Foundation and Kenji Wintag Educational Institute to develop cultural programs for schools and tools for language teachers. She's a graduate of the Native Language Instructor Program at Lakehead University. She's also has served as a consultant and a translator, even still today. She's busy working on translating and transcribing recordings. In 2009, Laurentian University, Monje Gichi Wido Kong Nishnabé Gichi Kinomog Zubin presented her with a Native Education Person of Distinction award in recognition of her dedication to education and the well-being of others. She plays a key role in preserving and promoting Anishinaabe language and culture. And we are really grateful that she's contributed to the calendar this year and that she's joined us this afternoon to share the phrases with us. Chin Miigwech, Evelyn, we're going to turn it over to you now. We appreciate all of your contributions and the teachings that you share. Much tara.
Ani, mi wacheni ka wi kuchi gui de bimnen rok. Yetchenendam, apjumandan sakton nishna bemwin. It is too much time. Canada, wow. Canada kishikat. Ika quite about tanmanda, Canada gishikat. Mabam timueka ken makwa. Koshme janksim dana git saponigese. Cheshashe. Nidashmanta git batang. Ode gonda nishnabek gi yatmoniang. Gay with the nishnabek gi yakwim. Peter Stection not gonda chimaning gabe yachik. Basics mabanishnabege wugi shöbse. Geguni ibe shege. Mishke gonda nishnabeke ktot. Canada. Yinanda wikena ananda. Canada. You're gonna hide him now. Mishke Kino talk ne ktot ke ketokshke na obsagnasha. Ine Canada gonda giketok. Mita shegabin shegabga ke Canada. Canada giketot ge nishnabek. Mitäs meno shue besitat da. Meno shue besitat da. Meno shue besito quiche penoti. Meno shue besito quiche penoti. Quiche modis con attacchi tam shega quiche penoti. Meno shue besito quiche modis. Meno shue besito quiche modis. Mi shebjina ktege. Meno shue besito quiche modis. Keen wea kena wea bemwedon mana tentomowin. Kesna kena mena kanon deda. Kena wea bemwedon mana tentomowin. Kesna kena mena kanon deda. Sag itsan. Sag itsan. Sag in dansen. Gesag in dansen. Gesag in gussen. Gesag in gussen. Gesag inim gashe minoa nos. Gesag inim gashe minoa nos.
Excuse me, Evelyn.
What?
Everything is going fabulous. We do have lots of time, so feel free to speak about any of the sentences if you would like to add anything or expand on its meaning. Which?
Minadenim gegit simak. Minadenim gegit simak. Minadenim gemishomis. Mino kokomis. Minadenim gemishomis. Mino kokomis. On bochu kokomis. On bochu kokomis. Minadenim Quijip Madis. Minadenim Quijip Madis. Kewa Tabasenma Kewa En Gazet. Kewa Tabasenma Kewa En Gazet. Kewa Kewa Katashe Min Guewis. Showenimat En Gazet. Kewa Katashe Min Guewis. Showenimat En Gazet. Testa tuenna. Oga twenchigeta. Oh, monta kainjeta. Na sap shignuabam. Bemat sejek. Gegi Asian duendaman. Cheshignuab megu. Cheshignuab megumba. Na sap shignuabam. Bemat sejek. Gegi Asian duendaman. Cheshignuab megumba. Oga twenchigeta. Oga twenchigeta. Shajeni benanishnabec. He got 20. Nga oga twenchige. Kayom da sine. Nga oga twenchige. Nga oga twenchige. Wewene nagot wendesan. Wewene nagot wendesan. Ngam nagane squabin chicken. Ngam nagane squabin chicken. Ngam nagane squabin chicken. Wingeseta. Wingeseta is wisnieng. Wingeseta is wisnieng. Anishnabem tadada en sugishagak. Anishnabem tadada en sugishagak. Abasi magat within wewnena. Abasi magat within wewnena.
Evelyn, can you
What?
explain that? Can you tell us more about this Abzimagad?
I always say about abasi magat within wewnena. Like it's healing. when you talk to a child too, child that doesn't listen when you speak to them in a language now or in English. But when you talk to them in a language, it's like it does something to them. They look up at you and they'll listen. They'll listen to you. So there's something about our language. Ishnabemwen. Skikiwan. Migo na obviously Kato obviously shkawan. That's how me walk it ya. Kato obviously shkawan manda katanwe na. Kato obviously shkawan na. Me walk it ya. Kato obviously shkawan na manda katanwe na. I would like because gishpen ni gabe I bono on the man ni gishpen bono on the magabe in a schnabe win. Ge wo gonna mess none. Ge wo gonna mess none. Peter swap makko to in a schnabe, we went in a schnabe, but no can get chin in them. Get chin watch it, man, bob up mege. Meet wet. Me winnie. But obviously was me debatama. Is that one?
Mahami
Evelyn, when we see the word obzichagan, when it's being used for medicine, what does it translate to when it's used in that context?
Maybe that's why they call it, because sometimes, you're told, like when you're stressed or depressed, you're told to take that now, obzichagan. But you go bangi kita tapanan, bangi weta. Up just where negative web ni ba the big buy when you take that tapanaman way. But to obviously end them me dig way and you ka deg way. Guy get to deg way see. I kumana just see. Mag just again the man now. Bangi weta kita tapanane. Man fish katoning that tone. Obviously was ketchup obviously whiskey up the bottom of daddying. Oh, ketchup obviously whiskey the bottom of daddying. Ketchup obviously whiskey the bottom of daddying. Get obviously whiskey the bottom of daddying now. You feel better. Ketchup obviously was what's my get the English. Me go down the market getting a bangetcha obviously and because you feel much better after you talk to a person now. Get your obviously and in watch again. Obviously and get your obviously and in watch again. So NKICHI. Get your.
Ali, are you able to add those in?
What? Meet with. Me just get your obviously yen dumb. Get your obviously when dumb get with them all. And get your obviously when dumb. WENDAM. After the ZIIWENDAM. Get your obviously when dumb.
Did I fix it?
Just get share. But obviously we're dumb. That's obviously we're dumb. Meet where?
How's that? Uh-huh.
But the N is there before the K. Get check.
Okay, I'll put it back.
No, Bibika,
Oh,
because this is wrong. Because I feel that once after the visit, that's what the person is trying to say.
mm,
Yeah. So I feel better after we visit. I always say that I always feel better after my visit with UCFA. Get I feel better after we visit. Yeah, me Dito ko at matagin.
Evelyn, could you talk a little bit more about the Botch Matadiing, what that means?
Well, it's any kind of visit. Like when you're having problems, you could talk to a person, and after you talk about your whatever is bothering you, it comes out, and you feel so much better, eh? That's what it is.
I guess
Or even like me, I live alone, and I do have my son visiting with me, but it's kind of different because women talk, eh? Like we want to talk about other stuff. And then I don't have nobody to visit with, and then I go to OCF and I visit a lot of women over there. Me just mandang get abasian dam walk is what I would say because there's more women there. But one person get matadian. Get get abasian dam get matadian. Just leave it at that. I feel better after our talk, eh? I feel much better after our talk. Is that all you say, buddies? I feel better after our visit. Okay. Me go. Get siya abasiyan dam kita ba matadiyan. I felt people in the market of sense. I felt better after their fault. You know, that they can get about matadiyan. Get siya abasiyan dam kita ba matadiyan after our visit. Oh. And you was it getting? I felt better after our talk, eh? Meet with. I felt better after our talk. Meet with. For a visitor talk, yeah. Meet with. Ndabasi wendam. Anishinaabe. Oh. Ndabasi wendam. Anishinaabe and watching. Anishinaabe meaning watching. Ndabasi wendam. Anishinaabe and watch. Get share. Ndabasi wendam. Maybe what and Ndabasi wendam is okay. Anishinaabe. Oh, Anishinaabe mtadiin. No. Ndabasi wendam. Ndabasi wendam Anishinaabe mtadiin. Anishinaabe mtadiin. Because that's what I said over there somewhere. I missed a language. If I don't hear it for a while, Anishinaabe watch eating. Ndabasi wendam Anishinaabe mtadiin. Watch eating. Me what I know. Yeah. Ndabasi wendam Anishinaabe mtadiin. Watch eating. Ndabasi wendam Anishinaabe mtadiin. I feel so much better when we are visiting in a language. Which I got Anishinaabe mtadiin. Ndabasi wendam Anishinaabe mtadiin. E- etta. No. Davziendam nishnavem tadien etta. Ah, yeah, nee. Yes, I feel so much better. I could talk and talk all day when I just talk in a language. Davziendam nishnavem tadien etta. Like that's what I would say to my sister here when we are visiting in a language. Me, when I'm Bernice. Yeah, okay. Uh, when we are speaking just a language, eh? When we are speaking just a language. Uh, visiting, speaking in a language. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Oh, get your bigot end up. Get your bigot end up. Get your, oh, make sure I'm going to that. Get your bigot now. Get your bigot end up.
No, kami namin yan, may sakit na. Kasi no mo, kasi yan. May sakit na.
Get your bigot end up. Me will not stop. Get your bigot now. Get your bigot end up. I feel so relieved now. Get your bigot end up. Gumna gane, skon bochwang, we know about yang. Gumna gane, skon bochwang, we know about yang. Gumna gane, I will feel good. Gumna gane is I will feel good after visiting. Yeah, gumna gane is I will feel good. Yeah, I will feel good. Meet with. I will feel so good after visiting and laughing together. Gumna gane, skon bochwang, we know about yang. Visiting and laughing together. Gum nagane, swan bochwang, mino papyang. So, well, I will say squan watch it young now. Squan watch eating or squan watch eating? I guess squan watch, so just the age at the end now. Squan watch way, huh? Just change the squan watch way, huh? Yeah, me way. Me which. Me no papyang. Me way. Nin weta. Ngam nagaden dikit ni I'm talking about myself. Me way.
We missed 27.
Oh, oh. Kesna nimena siya ya. Noon dama anishna bemwin. Kesna nimena siya ya. Noon dama anishna bemwin. Kesna nimena siya ya. Noon dama anishna bemwin. Me ill. Ishna. 초민구에는 쇼민괴는 걱정한다. Cái anh ni bitan da sinan. Cái mam da man da wi chet kya. Han pi ga ge wi bitan. 쇼민괴는 아 en kaswa en gaset gamina. En kaswa en gaset gamina. क्या बनूंगा दिन हाँ 미시미노 그메노는 담개고 미괴인 그메노는 담개고 미괴인 그메노는 담개고 미괴인 오 쉽게 안토고니원 쉽게 안토고니원 쉽게 안토고니원 니 웬난다 안토고니원 남체는
All right, now you
개고나
see this one. Now you see this one. Gego na gui gugwedshim.
이거지
And that's for
Nina.
all of our audience. Yeah, we got through our phrases really quick this hour. And we always open it up at the end for questions from our participants. And sometimes we have questions too. I know sometimes Lori likes to dig in a little bit deeper into some of these topics, like the seasons. People are always asking us, how do we say this? How do we say it's a new season? How do we say it's the fall or the seasons are changing? So we're going to open it up now. We do have I think we've got about 35 guests out there joining us this afternoon. If you have any questions, you can raise your hand and we'll turn your mic on, or you can type into the chat. In the meantime, Lori, if you've got a question for us, you can get us started. And I do see, somebody's asking, what dialect is this? Our words are different. So as we mentioned earlier, Evelyn is from originally from Wikwemekong and is now a member of Chiging. So if you're talking about, I guess, regions and dialects, that's the area that Evelyn is from. So some would say maybe Adawa, but we're all speaking Anishinaabe. We understand each other. Just sometimes it's a little bit different.
Odawa, Ojibwe, and Potawatomi. Then Kedo Potawatomi. Fire keepers, like you should call it Potawatomiak. Potawatomi, Kedadashna, Saganos.
Okay, and then Wanda asked that question, and Wanda said, "Get you much for the answer." All right, so now we've got a question from Lorena Wabanose. How would I say typing? Like typing words on a keyboard. So I'm typing words on a keyboard. How do I say I'm typing?
Msenakasege. Ndumsenakasege. I am typing. Ndumsenakasege.
All right. Miigwech. Okay, we've got you got more?
Manda kuyomda in Vaskama. Manda. Queste manda gishetton.
Oh.
Na nukskashis.
The hummingbird.
Eh,
Nanox.
na
Kashis.
no ska she's.
Oh.
Eh,
Naha. All right, we've got another one from Susie Isaac in our chat here. She's asking, how would you ask a child to take a breath and count to 5?
what do you
Take a breath
take a breath?
and count to 5 to know Venus toxic. Release is not a bullet.
To
And count to 5.
Let's get together. Take a breath. How would you say that to a child?
Or breathe in. Just be like,
And breathe in. Punishment to breathe out, we go. Jeez. Dunendan. Kutnaman is to breathe in. Kutnaman. Kutnaman. Because you're breathing in. Dus naman to breathe out.
No, 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 feeling what's this said. No, what's this said. No, I'm putting something.
Mange gedakket for gedongji nengach nesen naninnik
oh.
Feshik each sweni with nanan. And
Can you repeat
Nengach.
that one again? I like that one. Repeat that one again.
Which one?
The one you breathe in for 5. I think you were saying like breathe in carefully for 5 or slowly, breathe in slowly.
Nengach nesen Feshik niche swe niwin nanan. Midas menachwin to mot pikit namandas.
Okay, here's another one from Rin Simon. Can you give us some tips to improve our accents so we sound more natural?
The accents? The accent, you mean?
Yeah, like they're saying, like, how do you, so what are some tips so we sound more natural? As new speakers or second language speakers, what can we do so we sound more natural?
We were talking about that this morning. Because when I was a child myself, everybody was talking in the language. Everybody did. And then I left. We went to live in Sudbury, me and my husband. That's where we raised our kids. And then when we would come and visit, at that one time, I don't know how many years ago that was, and my dad said, "Kego naman pi kamuston." Keda. "Kego man pin deswebseme," is what he said. I didn't know what he meant. Me deswe. People were starting to leave their language. Everybody was starting to speak in English. And I used to be so happy. I would always look forward. Panangik chinendam krishan wikwam kong magem chiging. We sendo wanishnavek nishnavemwat. Kani we ka gitning sin winishnavemia. The case in Gishaganashima, Gidishnavem toadash. Ni inge mabagisha, or the chigema kinumage gamgong in Spanish. Das upon Gisha or the Gets us time.
So what can we do now? Listen to speakers? Listen to more speakers?
Miigwet tapos wa no. Somebody like me.
Uh,
Because we have that I don't know what you call that. You're not used to the way you use your tongue, when you're talking a language or in English.
uh,
Yeah, I noticed that. Took me a while to pick that up. Oh, that's what's wrong. When you try to teach the children, they have a hard time, like to say something like, okay, I could say be two G squagganagon. They have a hard time to say that.
It is hard.
Yeah. Yeah, Nishnabé suck. It's kind of sad. I hope we don't lose our language.
That's why we're all here, right? We're all here because we're gonna save it and keep speaking it.
And
All right. Go ahead.
And sometimes, like, okay, I went to Little Current not very long ago, maybe I would say maybe 2-3 months ago. I went to Little Current, and there was there was a gathering there with Nishnabek, and I went up there and I went to talk, and that's all I did was talk in Nishnabek. And one of the boys there, he was from Birch Island. He got up and said, I understood Evelyn. Not every word, but I understood what she was talking about. So they could get it if they hear it more often.
Okay,
Like me,
we've got. Oh, go ahead.
I couldn't
Sorry.
speak English when I was a girl, because I was raised in Wiki. And I had to pick up my English. And I picked it up. So now I learn both. And I always look in the dictionary if I don't understand anything in English. And that's how I'm learning.
All
Yeah.
right, we have another question. Here's a good one. It says, how would we say, I don't know? Or, I'm unsure.
And sometimes they say, darn it. I don't understand or I don't know. That used to be our favorite saying. Yeah.
All right, and then we've got Joss maybe. Miigwe is also found in the word miigwech with a question mark. Yeah, so they're wondering. I guess they see in miigwech we see miigwe.
Well, over here we say miigwech. Oh, miigwe. When somebody gives something away, miigwe. And we don't say miigwe. Yi miigwen. Yi miigwen. Miigwech. Ta miigwe. Yeah, you could say it that way. Ta miigwe gego. Just so you want to, na when you're very thankful from somebody gave you something, you say, "Kchimi," which you're very, very thankful. Kchimi, which kche, kchimi, which. 이거
Ooh.
trend. Mm.
All right, so now we've got one in here from Giselle McGregor. She's wondering, how would you say all of the elements, not just like individual, there's fire, there's water, there's wind, there's earth, but if we wanted to talk about all of them together, is there a way that we talk about the elements?
캐나고나게고. I would say 캐나고나게고 빼마다. Every living thing.
Oh.
That's how I would say it. Every living thing. 캐나고게고 빼마다. That's including us. The trees, everything. The earth, yeah. Everything. Everything we see.
Mm.
And we have to respect. 캐나게고 캐나게고는 이 kwimna denda na kamin goeng jebneto.
Mm.
Kenage pe matak kamin goeng shanta agit kamik.
Clayton is wondering if Evelyn could give the meaning for the word. Now I'm going to try and say it the way he spelt it. Or maybe Clayton can come on and say this word. Clayton, can you come on and say this word? John Quagamick. John Quagamick. It looks like John Quagamick in the way that he's written it in the chat. John Quagamick. And then, so he's saying, can Evelyn give the meaning for the word John Quagamick? And what would the updated spelling be? This is the name of Big Bear Creek in southern Ontario by Walpole Island. I'm trying to say that one right, Clayton King. If you wanted to raise your hand and come on and say what you've typed in here, because I'm doing my best to read the phonetic spelling here. Oh, there he is. All right, he's there.
Honey,
Go ahead, Clayton.
honey, Evelyn.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I was just trying to figure out the word because I know it doesn't mean Big Bear Creek. So the spelling has been in a few different articles that I found. So it's just something that isn't familiar to me. It sounds almost like something beaver or like a den or something. I don't know. I'm not a fluent speaker, so I was just wondering. But it sounds like it says, like you said, Ali, Jean Quagamick. Like Jean Quagamick. Something with the land, I think, or something. I don't know.
John Quagamick. Yeah, I just see that gamick at the end, and all I think is a structure, right?
Yeah.
Net missing.
I think Kamik is of the land.
Mhm.
Big
Kamik
bear.
is the building.
So the Katinwemna, Walpole Island. Is it Walpole Island?
Yeah.
Different dialect. I know a lady that Charlene Naughty, I went to school with her. I wonder if she would know. Mage mi janga kumik. Mage mi walk it away, janga kumik na. The shape of the something, eh? Shape of something?
Just a little brain teaser, eh?
Yeah, it is.
It's okay. You go ahead anyways.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sometimes they say things, sometimes speakers will talk to each other about these words and they'll say them back and forth and back and forth. And then finally somebody will be like, oh, it sounds like this.
Yeah.
Right? And then they'll come up with, especially when we are, like I think in different regions, right? So sometimes they'll hear a word from somewhere else and they'll really have to just kind of roll it around in their minds until they land on, until they land on a meaning.
Big Bear Creek, Shinkadegue. That's the name of that creek now.
Yeah.
In English they call it that, but in Anishinaabemowin,
But I wonder
they're
what they
called,
call it
yeah, Jean Quig Mc.
If I knew Charlene's number, I would call her and ask her. Or take a picture of it.
Yeah, we'll have to try and okay, or I can also try and reach out to there's a young guy over there, Ezbekan, and then Manoa Gijagat. His dad goes by Manoa Gijagat. They might have an idea as to what that is too, so we can try them. Let's see. I've got another question popping up here from somebody. They said, I hear another way of saying miigwech. Can you explain it? And then they wrote, get kina. That's how I would say this. Get kina. Have you heard it? Get kina. Yeah. Maybe Tamor Ade can give us a little more context. Where is this? Where are you hearing get kina? Is it over there in Walpole Island? Just kidding. Sometimes there'll be things that you say around like a community, but it's not shared commonly. I think I know often people who are speaking or bringing back the dialect in the Nipissing area, they have lots of words where we're just like, oh, that one's different. But that doesn't, it's not bad. It's just we have, some different sounds and words we use in different regions or areas. So if you can give us a little bit more info about and if I'm saying that right, I'm just reading what you wrote there. Kina. The kina is we use that one for all, right? Like we say kinawea or kinawea for everybody, like everyone. Yeah, kinagego for everything. So that kind of has that every all, but I don't know about that get kina. Okay, so Scarlett Roy. Oh, maybe this is someone you know. Scarlett Roy is asking, how do you explain me sentences? And then they included like me dash. So they're wondering, how do you explain the me sentences in there? I guess if you're using me dash in a particular sentence. Yeah.
Me dash migna me dash and so migna maga kitigeba na. Me dash kine shang ode. Oh, not almost it. And then
me dash
kine shang. Yeah.
Okay, so when we hear that one, we're kind of like, it's kind of like, and then, when you hear me dash, and then. So it's like a continuing thought of a previous sentence. Sometimes I'll say like, people will, because we always, in language table classes, will ask each other, what did you do this morning? And I'll be like, Ngi goes, me dash. Ngi magkideabo ke. Oh, Lori shared in here. Brendan Fairbanks wrote a paper called All About Me, M-I-I. You can find it here. So for those of you who are wondering more about the me, check out this paper Brendan Fairbanks wrote about it. Rin Simon would like you to teach us a joke in Anishinaabe.
A joke?
Yeah. Got any jokes in Anishinaabe?
And what's that person's name? Simon?
Rin Simon. R-I-N, Rin Simon. Rin Simon.
I know some Simons, but I don't know this one. Oh, ma was ang katapat ma basic na akwe. Ni Indian ma be. Shkikin non we wap man. Din jaba bi chicken ma de begin ke abishe anen ma be okay no gunda ba bi chige Come on, peach yeah. Winch kweta nishna be kwe awe. Gunda anen jagna shi kwe kwanda. Up to skin guna gunda jagna shi kwe mami kwaswok. En nakiat. Shani omi en nakia mi ode nakia. Kit non jan mat begin maba. Nasko na maba. Ni bena benuchien gibe yon na gibe kchena kipane. Sanye shing ton. No, mami kwande so kudra no shi kwe shaknen da mi. Vi sige, come on, beach. We know this quite egin motherbe. Squay, monkey, go to Kedan motherbill. Our kinders not singing. I see, you can see was a mommy closet. That's bragging, mommy closet. Is yeah, that. Oh, give it to mommy kiss again, Kedashkin. Me wish I should have been kiot. Non go get and suppose you a pizza. Give me kill charge, so now switch the thought. Ne give up kadon ba when chetek mabantin and mi son da kenani bekayat kay gabu we could see I pick berries get a yangi chamaminke me she had nothing to brag about now. And next song, oh geez, I've never laughed so hard. Yeah. Oh, then that was it.
Right. So I think that covers most of the questions that came up in the chat. Oh, okay, go ahead, Lori.
Okay, I wanted to ask you a little bit about mono. You know, we often hear mono, was mono, migo mono, mono.
Mano,
Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Bigwen ni no nage ni kwenta pamino ibegachi yangi don dopo. De muek de batta moate mano. Ngo komesna na no smemna bane kea ngo komesna. Pachim nam de mueki awe himna sheb sem de mue. Nishke nan got no moset miknan. Kenu we pigi te bangse. Chesha jamanta de batta ma. Squanski maseo nanda kweon babapta ta nanda. Tunon doa na wa. Te kunski nanda basic kweon. Non doa. Mi gna mano keta gie. Mano gitapnan mano. Mi we. Mi shuge ni ne panega betu kabe uanwe. Kego pain makke we yagego uimana chito tak mage we papna ta goin. Mano tapanan. Ane shenwe. Man, das kik hische chge ogo na nke mwe. Man da gata shempe na go. Win ma bage go shwe bise. Iketa. Win da state bananwe. Baba pana tak. Mi ga go. Kinsa ka na shimbernis. Get over here. Tell them. No, that's only short. Just tell them.
I was telling her to say that in English so that everybody understands. What that means, no.
Bernice, you're too far from the mic. We can't hear you.
Yeah, you come over here. I'm not going on the screen. Can you hear me now? Come on. Okay.
Now, mabagat ka da chikanomage when Kuya that used to be a really
Eh,
well, it still is. When somebody does something to you, hurtful, whether it's in words or actions, that's what the old people used to say.
Eh.
Mano, mano. Let it be. Let them do it. Let them say whatever they want to say, right? And she was
Mm.
saying at the end there, Mom, the creator held you up like this, but they did that to you. When somebody
Mm.
hurt you like that, and then you didn't do anything to retaliate, and they put themselves lower each time they did it, and something would happen to them. That's what she was saying. Yeah, and that's what I think it's really important we translate that into English for everyone to understand now who's not fully functional to understand yet. One day they will be. Yeah. Chikanoma Dwinwa. That's a really good teaching. Mm.
Chimigwech.
uh-huh. Tying her up here. I don't want her.
I was gonna go home.
Kaya ko naman sa akin.
I'm glad she stayed.
My son here on my left here, Randy.
He's a tech guy.
Yes.
We thank the team. We thank the team that helped you join us on Zoom today. We appreciate everyone who's supporting you while you're here telling us stories and sharing language with us. We do have some thank yous also from our chat here. I know some people are heading out. Isaac has typed in a message in here. Chimigwech, Evelyn, Apche Minendan ga Jinishna. Thank you very much, Evelyn. I really liked how you spoke Nishna Bemwin. Bama Pi Kuabmin. That's from Isaac Owl. And Wanda's letting us know that she's from Pinemotong First Nation, aka Fairford, Manitoba. Hopefully I didn't say that too bad. So she was joining us from Manitoba, a bit of a different dialect. She says she can understand, but it's different. She's fluent, and she said so are her children, and now she's teaching her grandchildren. So that's great to hear. Keep that up for all of our speakers out there. Yes, please speak the language all over the place and pass it on to all of us, to your kids, your grandkids, your friends, your neighbors, everybody all around. Don't worry about us. Speak the language to us and we're going to figure it out. I know sometimes you feel sorry for us and you want to just tell us, but keep speaking the language to us. We're going to get it. All right.
Me what you need to get.
All right, so if we don't have any more questions floating around out there in our chat, we are going to say Gichimiigwech again to Evelyn and the whole team over there. Her son, her sister, the whole family came together so she could join us today. Thank goodness it all worked out. Technology worked out for all of us. The internet held strong. Sometimes that doesn't work out, but today was a good day for that. For those of you who are interested in our next webinar, it will be with Evelyn's younger sister, Bernice Trudeau will be joining us. We've set the date now for July the 27th. That's Monday, so later this month. Before we head into August, we're going to get together at 2 p.m. Follow us on Facebook to register, or you can reach out to Lori and I in emails and we'll send you the link over to get you registered for that one. And if you haven't, I guess, seen our email addresses, I will put that slide up there for you now. You can grab a screenshot of it. Hopefully my screen sharing is not too slow. So if you need to get a hold of Lori and I, you can reach us at these email addresses. Again, follow us on Facebook so you can register for that next webinar with Bernice Trudeau. And we'll go over our August phrases. And we just want to say Chimigwech once again for everybody joining us, taking the time out of your day to share language. and to listen to these stories, and to our colleagues who joined us today as well, Chimigwech. We always appreciate your participation and your attendance, and to our communications team. Thank you, Marcy, for making sure we are out there in the virtual world sharing Mishnah And as always, shout out to our Mishnah and Tong Lori McLeod Shabagijic. She puts together these slides for us and makes sure we're all on track, and is joining us even though she's taken a bit of time off this week. So thank you for joining us this afternoon, Lori. We appreciate you. Now, we will see each other again. Meanwhile, go up in the min.
Wow.
Thanks, Evelyn.
Chimigwech,
Miigwech.
Evelyn.
Miigwech.